Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 18th, 2021. We're going to bring you all a price prediction for Theta token. You guys can already tell our last prediction was completely off course. We're going to talk about that, and then we're going to break into where we expect the market in Theta to go in the future so we can be in position to capitalize on the profit and win. So before I break that down, if today is your first time watching our video, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. We're simply here to gauge where price is going to go, like I told you earlier, so that we can win and profit in the market, all without being confused. So you guys can see it. Let me zoom in real quick. And I wanted to show you all our prediction right here into the market for Theta. You know, we played a very small position into the market in Theta, expecting the market just to give us a little bit of weakness. And overall, we knew that the market trend was still in play in a Theta token. The market was following that ascending line, and I was just expecting it to come down just a little bit lower right before the market broke out, but instead it didn't do that. So our forecast that we garnered into the market in Theta was not correct. It was wrong. And it goes to show you that you do not get every price prediction correct. Just learn from it and make sure that you try to alleviate that the next go around. So this was not right. And let's say that you wanted to get out the market today. This position would be down about 159%. Yeah, it happens. So this is how I wanted to show you how you learn and when to cut those losses. Because if you were to get out the market right now, 160% is detrimental. So at what point will we have realized that the market in Theta token was still strong? Well, it's a couple of days. The first one, we would have known and said, well, immediately the next day after we did our prediction right here on March the 1st, we would have said something is not right. The market is still garnering strength. And then even on the 2nd of March, the volume came through, the market still moved higher. And it would have been at this point that we would have gotten out the market right there in Theta, because here was the last time that the market in Theta came and found selling right there around $4. So it would have been on this particular day right here that we would have gotten out the market in Theta under the premise that our forecast was wrong. It's still about 57%, but it cuts down on the loss because you realize that the prediction that you expected was not going to happen. 57% versus 159. I'll take that any day, right? So we can make sure that we try to get this money back from our account that the trap has taken from us. So this is just something that we can utilize and try to learn going forward into the market in Theta and any other market that we may participate in. All right, so we'll learn that lesson. We'll use that to our benefit going forward. So now let's speak on what we expect the market in Theta to do going forward. As always, you guys can tell the market is in a massive uptrend right now, bigger than the overall trend that we've seen the market in Theta in originally. So let's show you all that. This is how strong the market in Theta is. Okay. Now look at this ascending line versus our last one. The slope is more slanted than the overall original trend. That lets us know that this market is overly bullish. In some sense, you might even say that it is overheated. It means that the market is shot up too high, too fast. And at some point you would expect the market to come back down. Well, the strength, the consolidational trading that's been going on in Theta right here lets me know that there's still a lot of fuel here into the market in Theta, that the market still wants to go higher in price. Even on the trading that happened on yesterday, lets me know that the monumental strength and the interest of higher price is still on the table. So let's see if we got that same type of depiction on a 3-day time frame. And as of right now, there has definitely been some selling going on into the market in Theta, the last 2 completed 3-day price bars. On the 2-day time frame, I still like it though. I mean, the strength, even in the midst of seeing the weakness coming in on these 3 2-day price bars, still lets us know that there's people buying the market in Theta. It lets us know that the trap is still here trying to consume as much theta as possible so that the price can continue to go higher. And even here on the weekly time frame, even though we had 3 days and 14 hours left, the market is still able to consume all of the selling that is going on around this $6.50 to $8 price range. All of the selling that's been going on in those two price levels lets us know that there's someone here in the market in Theta purchasing those tokens. So what we're going to do on this particular forecast, since we're still seeing the market strength here in Theta and looking at it on the hour time frame, I mean, the market here literally is just trading a massive trading channel right now from $8, like I said, down to $6.40. Okay. Now the question is, do you all think that the market in Theta is going to continue to break out, or do you think we're going to continue to go lower in price? Okay. So looking at this on an 11-hour time frame, I'm still seeing some emphasis on market weakness here in Theta, only because we're seeing the market finding restriction around $8 and $7.50. That's the last location to where we can actually garner and see some weakness here in the market in Theta. Okay, so we have a while. I mean, we can actually play and expect the market in Theta to trade in this vicinity here. That will be the forecast area for us to pay attention to in order for us to see more weakness or strength. Okay, so literally I really don't see a lot going on into the market in Theta. I will tell you, as of this recording, the market is still exhibiting strength, but considering how it has been consolidating and even looking at these varying time frames, there is weakness here. I'm just under the premise that the strength that came in on this last completed 2-day price bar, I need to see more strength in order for me to be real convinced that the market in Theta is going to continue to break out. Okay, it is here, but I just don't see enough actual confirmation on the price chart that will substantiate that Theta is going to continue to move higher in price. The only reason why I say strength is here is because of what occurred on yesterday's trading. Okay, now if I saw the market in Theta break this $8 to the upside, then yeah, the market strength definitely is letting us know that the market momentum is still to the upside. But right now I don't see that. So considering how the market in Theta is able to maintain price, that's all I'm looking for. You know, I'm going to sit the sideline on this particular prediction in Theta. I want the market to continue to give me some more information. I want the trap to continue to plot his movements on the price chart so that we can garner precisely where the market is headed. Okay, because like I told you, I'm really expecting the market just to continue to trade sideways, and then at a later date we'll have more information. But as of right now, there's just not enough information for me to drop a prediction in the market for Theta. I thought we may be able to, but considering what occurred into the market yesterday, kind of gives me pause. Wants me to sit the sideline and let everyone else work out the market. And once I see a surefire indication that strength is still in play, then we'll break in and actually do a video into the market in Theta. So as of this particular moment, I'm not seeing anything that will substantiate a prediction. Now you may have one, and we have a massive community. So you could drop a comment in the comment section below and tell everyone, where do you expect the market in Theta to be in the next 3 weeks? For me, what I'm seeing is just the market to really trade in this area, and that's it. Okay. Now, as more information becomes available, I'll be able to make a better determination as to where the market is headed. But as of this particular time, I don't see anything. So I want you all to tell everyone in our community, what do you all see in the market in Theta? Where do you think we're headed? I'm going ahead and get rid of this line down here because the market actually is following this trend here. Okay, so use this particular area here as a gauge to figure out where do you think price is going to go. Drop a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.